right, you're ready to take a little quiz here on parabolas. So what I need to have you do is go up to the front table and you're going to grab a couple things. Actually, just one thing. Grab a sheet of graph paper. That's what I'd like you to take this quiz on. So before you do anything else, pause this, go to the front table and grab some graph paper. And in this quiz, I'm just going to ask you a few things. On your sheet of graph paper, label number 1, the first thing I would like you to do is just tell me if this parabola right here opens up or opens down. Okay, so A is just, does it open up or down? That's all I need to know. Letter B, and I know it's a 50-50 guess, but you're going to have to explain yourself when you come up to me. Letter B, if I threw a 2 right in front of this, if I put a 2 in front of it, a positive 2, I want you to tell me if that will make it narrower or wider. You can just write down one of those words. So you're going to write down either up or down, narrower or wider. Letter C. I would like you to find the equation for the axis of symmetry. So you're going to complete this. X is equal to, and if you need to go look back at your notes for the formula, go ahead. But I want you to tell me what the axis of symmetry is. And again, you can pause this while you're working on things. 1D. I want you to tell me what the vertex is. The vertex is a point. Why won't it give me the other? My smartboard seems to have paused up on me, so I've got to wait a little bit. But you need to tell me the vertex of that parabola. And that's it for number 1. I just want to know the basics of that parabola. Does it open up? Does it open down? What's its vertex? All right, next up for number 2. Number 2, I'm going to give you a parabola, and this is why you're on graph paper, and it's going to be y equals 2x squared minus 4x plus 1. And what you're going to do is, again, you're going to find the axis of symmetry. I'm going to call that the AOS for part A. For part B, you're going to tell me its vertex. For part C, you are going to give me a table of values, just like we did in one of the worksheets, and you're perfectly allowed to go look at that. You are going to be telling me X values and Y values. And remember, in the middle, oops, sorry, this isn't the best chart. Let me make a nicer one here for you so you can draw it nicely. All right, so you're going to make me a table of values. On that table, you're going to give me 5 points. The vertex needs to go in the middle of your table, and then you need to find the other 4 points as I taught you in class, or I'm sorry, not in class, on the video. And then for part D on the graph paper, you're going to make me a nice graph of that parabola. And that will be it for this little quiz. All right, once that's all done, you bring it up to me. And again, if you need to go look at your notes to figure out how to do any of that, you feel free to do it, because if you bring it up and have it wrong, you have to go fix it anyway. So might as well just go look at how you do all that. All right, have a good one. That's it.